Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Leah Rowland with a few words of wisdom. Veteran Day is an opportunity to thank those citizens who have served in the military, both in wartime and in peacetime. Today, we enjoy freedom due to the hard work and sacrifice of those patriotic Americans. Imagine how our life would be different if these men and women have not served their country. There's an old proverb that goes, "Faithful service should be long remembered." That's what this holiday is all about, remembering those who have faithfully served our nation. There are many ways you can remember American veterans. Fly the American flag, send out thank you cards to the local veteran group, extend a personal word of thanks to any veteran you know. Showing your personal support is what Veterans Day is all about. With something to think about, this is Leah Rowland. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. The middle school basketball teams will play at McCall today at 3:30. Don't forget, we'll be out of school tomorrow for Veterans Day.